Alright, hey guys, what's up? I'm back. Episode 2, we're going to do what I like to call Twilight. Now, it's different. You don't see it in store. I've never seen it in a store. Really cool color. Really works good for me. I'm going to show you a couple different things. Once again, we got our 3 molds. Just helps get it a little bit done a little bit faster. But I have 2 different Pyrex glasses. I'm sorry. Ooh, long day at work. We got the first one here. It only does what? How many cups? It only does 1 cup. This one right here does 2 cups. The reason I have those is, depending on how many molds you're shooting, it's always good to have different sizes. Now, I'm not using this one. As you can see, I got some plastics in there. We're going to use this one today. I'm going to go ahead and fill it for you guys. 1 cup. Boom, there it is. A little over, yeah, it's all right. Now, I've seen other guys, they heat their colors in the plastic when it's all liquid like this. Now, I don't do that. I've never done that. The way I was taught was you pop it in the microwave, you add your color after it's heated. So I'm going to go ahead and heat this real quick. It's going to take about 2 minutes, so I'm going to put you guys on hold for a second, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to start adding the color. I'm going to try to move the camera so you guys can actually see what's going on. There's actually, when you mix all this stuff, I'm going to try to do overhead version. I'm recording this all off my phone, so until I get my GoPro all ready, which it's buried somewhere right now, I'll be using this. So not much editing. This is pretty much straight what it is. So I will get back to you guys when this plastic is heated. Alright, you guys, now this plastic's almost done. I didn't show what clamp I used last time. I just used this quick grip clamp. It'll do about, it'll do 5 molds. You can't really get more than 5 do-it molds in this thing. Clamp them together real tight. You see people with one here, one here. I just use the one. Obviously, it's got a swiveling hinge on that side. Plastic's heated. So what we're going to do now is we're going to stir this up a little bit, and we're going to use metal butter knife. You could get a metal rod to do it with, but I don't. I just use a butter knife. It was in the house. It was less of an expense. Now, just so you guys know, these molds, right now, I was getting them at 30 a piece for do-it molds, and you can actually, they've gone up $5, so they're 35 now. That's off Tackle Warehouse. You guys should check them out. They're a pretty cool company. They got a lot of stuff. Now, as far as colors, glitters, plastic, I use all MF Manufacturing. I don't know if you guys have heard of them, but go to pouryourownworms.com. They've got everything you need from packaging clamshells to 55-gallon barrels of plastic. Of course, it's cheaper to buy it in bulk, so if you guys start pouring your own, plan on spending for a good setup $500. That's going to get you a couple different molds. It's going to get you a gallon of plastic, maybe 5 gallons, depending on how you do it. You can get a gallon for $70, or you can get 5 gallons for $140, so you choose. It's only about $40 to ship 5 gallons. Glitters and colors, they're $5 and $6 a piece. That's 2 ounces on each one. 2 ounce liquid weight, 2 ounce, dry weight for glitters. You see, I got these bags. I don't actually go with this company anymore. I'm just trying to finish off the rest of the stuff that they have. So right now, what we're going to do is pretend, but MF Manufacturing black. And what we're going to do is we're going to do 8 drops, 10 drops. We'll do 10 drops for 8 ounces of plastic. So if you guys are wanting this recipe and you like this recipe, write this down. So 10 drops of black. Should give us a really good smoke color. And then what we're going to do is, this is a purple smoke pearl. This adds a purple pearl effect to a smoke color and to a purple hologram glitter effect that we have. Now, this plays tricks on your eyes. I don't know how else to explain that. Like, you guys won't be able to see it in person on the camera, but you'll be able to see something cool out of it. Now, like I said in the other video, if you guys can't see it, you want to see finished results, let me know. I'll post them in the comments as a picture. But we're going to do 20 drops of that. Got 1, Alright, so 20 drops purple smoke pearl, 10 drops of black, 8 ounces of plastic. Now we're going to do 1 teaspoon of salt. Last time I showed you me mixing the salt in before I heated it, so hopefully it kind of, dissolved. It doesn't matter. It'll dissolve the same if you do it this way or the other way. I just prefer the other way because it doesn't get all clumpy and it mixes better. Alright, so after you get everything mixed up, go ahead and add your glitter. So we're going to do 1/8 teaspoon hologram, 015. Guess it doesn't really matter, it just depends on, what glitter you want to use. We're going to do some 015 purple. And then some 035 purple, and we're only doing about 1/8 teaspoon a piece, guys. As you can see, that purple really shines. That purple's, oh, you got your light, a little bit more dull, shiny. I like this company better. They just got a lot more quality things. All right, so once you get all that in, go ahead and mix it up. Now, like I said, this one is called Twilight, and it's actually, you guys are gonna laugh, it's inspired from my daughter. She likes a show called My Little Ponies. Everybody's heard of it. Well, there's a pony in there called Twilight Sparkle, and this kind of matches that character on that show as far as colors and as far as, the personality of the bait. So it's kind of inspired by my daughter. She's 4 years old. She don't know that. She don't need to know that. You don't need to give her an ego. But yeah, so it actually works. It works really good. That's the cool part. Let me go ahead and finish mixing this. I'm going to pop it in the microwave for another 15-20 seconds, and I might even have to do it one more time after that just because this stuff started to harden around the sides. I like to mix everything thoroughly, and that's it. So right here, guys, I'm going to throw it back in the microwave for another 20 seconds. We're going to leave you guys on there so you can watch this. 20 seconds, we're going to start cranking bait out. While your stuff's reheating or whatever, you can clean up your workspace. Get ready for your next setup. Get all your tools wiped off, whatever you got to do. Usually, for the measuring cups you use for the glitters, you can wipe them right off. That's all I do. I never get anything else in the baits. So I'll go ahead and put that stuff up real quick. Get that out of my way. Gives me a little bit more room. And I'll show you guys what my little collection of colors and glitters looks like after this. I am waiting on, 20 more gallons of plastic, so we'll have some more stuff here later on down the road too. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but this is Twilight. Now you can see that it kind of looks like a dark grape right now, but what you guys can't see is the pearl effect that's giving off by that purple pearl color, purple smoke pearl. And hopefully you guys will be able to see it in the video after I pull out the baits. If not, we'll post pictures. I think you guys are going to be really impressed by this one, and I hope you like it. Like I said, we got about 7 more episodes for do-it-yourself grubs with do-it molds, and then we're going to go on to 5 or 6, 7 episodes of Cincos, and then I have some twin tail, and then I'll get into the stuff that I make for some people on the side and for a store here in our town. So Hang tight. Alright, here we go, guys. Alright, you guys, that's 3 molds just like that. Get a little goober. Gotta be careful not to burn yourself. Like I said, I wear 1 glove, but I've been doing it a while. You guys should wear 2 gloves, well ventilated room, wear long sleeves. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I have a scar on my forearm from here to here. I was working, it was late, it was midnight. I was making a bunch of these. I just kept cranking them out all day, and I was running short on time. And my nozzle actually got plugged. I went to spray everything back into our container here, and with all the pressure, I was newer to this, it splashed up out, hit me in the arm. I said, ow, wiped my hand, and by then the skin was already off my arm, guys. Like, this is some serious crap. It is a chemical burn. It is between 300 and 350 degrees. It's unsafe, so be safe. Wear your gloves. Wear safety glasses if you feel more comfortable with safety glasses. Always work in a ventilated area. And wear long sleeves. That's about all the protection that you're going to need. Just make sure you guys do it right. Don't get hurt. It's not worth it. It's a cool hobby. I would hate to see that, you know, people getting hurt and quitting this hobby because they got bit, pretty much. They got bit by the plastic. Alright, so these ones are done, guys. Now, you can see that it's a smoke color, but what you can't see, which I'm going to hopefully show you, and don't mind my dirty hands. There. No, it usually has a little bit better effect in water, so we're going to see if it'll show up in the water, you guys. Don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. Okay, so what's going to happen is watch the video. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me you want to see the baits. I'll post them in the comment. Promise. See you guys later.